Hi, I'm Ravi Handa, founder of the website handakafanda.com. And today I'm here to talk to you about a free class, a workshop of sorts that I will be conducting on the 12th of August, that is coming Wednesday at 8 p.m. In this one and a half hour workshop, I will be discussing the entire concepts of logarithms. I'll start from the very basics as what is log 1, what is log 2, what is log AB, and all of that. And we will go to the highest difficulty level that is required in the CAT exam. Not only that, we will solve all questions that have come in CAT over the last few years for log. So I will be covering CAT 2017 paper, 18 paper, 19 paper, and both the slots, morning slot as well as the afternoon slot. And we will cover all those questions on log. So we'll start from nothing and we'll go to the topmost difficulty level that is required in log. And in case you do not know, logarithms is the most important chapter. Well, if not the most, it is one of the most important chapters when it comes to the CAT exam. You can expect definitely 2 questions on it in the paper. As a matter of fact, if you look at the past 3-year papers from CAT 17, the only chapter that has consistently given us 2 questions in every slot every year is the logarithms chapter. So I hope you will join me in this particular class, and all you need to do to join me in this particular class is to register for it. Please remember, it is a free class on Wednesday, 12th August at 8 p.m. The registration link is given in the comments. So I hope to see you in the class on Wednesday at 8 p.m. Thank you.